Try this chicken out. Oh my God. I'm going to show you step by step how I made this chamoy chicken. So stick around to the very end so you can make delicious chicken just like this. But if you skip one step, it'll be the reason that it didn't come out this good. Chamoy chicken, you guys, recipe. So here we go. These are the list of the ingredients that you're going to need all in one slide. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm always coming out with these crazy, creative new ways to make some food. This is one of them. So let's start with the onion. Let's just dice it up. I only use a little bit of onion for this marinade. Honestly, you don't need a lot. And I just open it up in a ziploc. And I do this beforehand. I just throw all my onion in there. I give it some Serranos. Just toss it in there. 3 is fine. And what I like to do is just go ahead and get my chamoy. And I'm going to put this in the bag. I like doing this before. But I just squirt some chamoy in there. You can put as much as you like or as little as you like, but I would put a lot. So go ahead and pre-mix this, get it all ready to go. All right, and then I'm going to throw in my chicken thighs in this little tray, this little aluminum tray. I'm going to go ahead and wash and dry them, which you must do, obviously. Make sure it's clean and dry so the rub can stick. So I'm going to start off with Cajun. This stuff is amazing. You can buy it at Costco, and I just throw a lot of it on it. And what I'll do is I'll do one side and then I'll do the other side as well. You know, I'm not hating. I got to do both sides, you know. So go ahead and put that rub on there, but put generous amount. And then Tajin, this is a master seasoning. I mean, I use it in all my foods mainly. And I know a lot of people don't use Tajin in some of the stuff that they cook, like meats. But I love it. And I've been using it. I'm going to continue to use it and recommend it because it tastes really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put some chili pepper. This is really good. You can buy this anywhere, obviously. But just put a little bit, especially if you got kids. Just throw a little spice in there. All right, and then just get both sides, make sure they're thoroughly put on there. And this lemon pepper, I bought it at Costco too. And this brand is really good too for lemon pepper. This one doesn't have salt, this lemon pepper, so that's kind of why I like it. Because you can throw it heavy and it doesn't get over salted. All right, because you get your salt from the Tajin and the Cajun anyway, so you can throw a lot of lemon pepper. It gives it a nice tingy flavor to it. All right, so go ahead and make sure your rub is on there really good. I'm just going to go ahead and get my pre-mixed bag, get all my chicken, and then what I'm going to do is just start throwing them in there, man. One by one, getting them all in there. And I like to just kind of close the bag a little bit and kind of seal tight, but not too tight. Enough to where, you know, the marinade kind of stays together when I'm tossing this bag. And you just want to toss this for about a minute or two. And I marinate this like 30 minutes before I actually cook the chicken. I do not marinate this overnight. You don't need to. You're still going to get that delicious flavor from the chamoy. All right, so just rub it back and forth till it's ready. And this is the kind of meal you can expect to cook, you guys. Yeah!